So I'm sitting in what might be the cheapest Lexus SC300 in the country. I'm not just saying that to say that. I mean, sure, there's probably cheaper examples at the junkyard. This one runs, it drives. It's got 102,000 miles. Once I go check it out, and the thing's in like perfect condition. There's no rust at all in the car. If you know, Lexus SC300s are classics. Also, I know I'm sweating a lot. It's really hot. Yeah, the thing is basically immaculate. I don't think the lady knew what she had. So she was asking for like $2,700. We offered $1,800, and then we got there and we talked it down to $1,600. We picked up an Audi A4 for like $600 the other day, and then we sold it for $1,800, and then we kind of stumbled upon this. So this might be a regular thing now. So if you guys like it, let me know. This is honestly one of the most spacious interiors I feel like I've been in a long time. I mean, I just sold my Miata, so anything feels big. Wish it was a manual. I know. They were available in manual, but they're extremely hard to find, and if you do find one, good luck finding one under like $10,000. They're really rare. So they're pretty much all automatic. Sunroof works. That's really cool. This is so baller. This is some VIP shit. Just getting a bunch of the interior pieces out. Gonna vacuum it. It's my backpack. So we're pretty much gonna try to wash it, detail it. We're just taking care of some you know, normal maintenance and routine stuff, so that when the new seller gets it, they don't have to worry about it. It's ready to go. Looking like you about to go to the beach. What are you doing?
Need another bucket. That one's dirty as I don't feel like washing it. Yo, this shit is clean, bro. Gotta use the polish. Okay,
What you got to over here?
Waiting to turn this shit over in a couple minutes.
Nice.
I got my wheel, bro.
This thing is gonna look so good. Can't wait. It's getting a bit dark though, so we don't really have too much time to work with. Kind of sucked to do a half-ass job and then have to finish it tomorrow. We got this. Definitely want to have this thing. Definitely want to have this thing listed in like 2-3 days max. You got 2 clay bars?
Yeah.
Yeah, the more I look at this car, the more I like it. Really? I like this thing. I don't know why. I wish it was a little shorter. I was thinking that if I ever found a manual, I would chop off the fenders, wide body it, and just put like some stupidly wide tire, like wheels and tires on it. Like an RWB build.
What's up?
What's up, man?
How are you?
Been, bro?
That's my brother, Chris.
Just like real quick.
Nice to meet you.
That's clean. That polish made a huge difference on this fender.
You guys keep buying cars after cars?
No, we're gonna actually start recording.
Alright, so we're back again. It's the next day. We're going to power wash the car. Specifically just the engine bay.
I did it on my
Oh god, I'm getting cancer.
I diluted it with water.
So, Eric ended up polishing this half yesterday, and it looks really, really good. And then once you get to the other side, it kind of drops off. But hopefully, if it stops raining today, we can finish the other side. Nice.
There's a hole in the bag.
Came out of your shit like Sonic. And we're back. And it's the next day. We couldn't really get anything done because it kept raining. Eric did come back and polish the car though. So, looks really good. Although it got dirty overnight, so we got to give it a quick wash again, and then I can photograph it. Then we'll list it, and hopefully we sell it soon. So, car's washed again for like the 3rd time. It's hot as fuck outside. It's like 90 degrees. Gonna get it photo shoot. Gonna get a photo shoot going for it, and then get it listed. Looks so much better though than it did before with the polish and all. We just did basic, regular routine maintenance on it: oil, coolant, brake fluid, all that jazz.
Thought it had like a swivel.
Look how clean it looks.
Damn.